Well, hello guys, welcome back to my main channel. I'm sorry for the earplugs. I cannot even hear you right now because the rain is so loud. Like, I can't even hear you because of the noise. Like, oh my gosh, today is raining and sunshine. So, anyways, there's something wrong with Hailee today. She cannot sleep in that time at all. I know, right? And we need to bring earplugs so we can't even hear the snoring, so we can secure the noise from that where she was sleeping on the couch, that Hailee was sleeping on the couch with Colette, and she was super extremely scared. Like, just take a look at Hailee. She's not even happy at Tess's house today, and you don't even know who Tess is. She's the only one who looks after my daughters too, and especially me. Because I took a different child. Okay, I don't need notifications. So. Sorry, my phone is very noisy today too. That's why this morning it woke me up. Yeah, it woke me up. This morning the phone is ringing from Instagram, my follower. So I will guess the name. His name is Nuretin, and the last name on his Instagram will show you that he's a follower who started following me about they realized we're on Instagram forever. And if you don't even know Nuretin, but he is a follower who started to follow me on Instagram, and this is the last name. He puts the N at the end, so this is Nuretin Sisigozo. Look. Focus. See? He's my follower, and we've been talking. We've been talking for an hour in the morning at 6 o'clock. You don't even know him, but he talked to me in the morning, and he woke me up in the morning. Like, I don't want to get up. I don't want to answer the call. I don't want to answer the call. I don't want to. Sorry, I'm sorry for touching you in the face with my elbow. Well, he is a follower, and if you don't even know, then just go to Instagram and follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. You know, I got so many fans. I got so many followers now. I got. Let me check on my iPhone. He's got more than I do. I got 66 posts, 45 followers, and 37 following. Okay, I can take my earplugs out. Look, these are called earplugs. They are so good for you. You can put them in your ear, so you can't even hear the snoring or any of that loud noise and stuff like that. I know it's so dirty. That's why I don't clean my ears at all. It's got earwax in it. So of course I do have earwax. Of course I can hear alright, but I had to clean it. But my mom thinks I should be careful with it because I do clean my ears with the Q-tip, and so it's, I'm not gonna tell you. Well, just me, by the way. I can clean them every day, and I will promise I will not quit anything else. So I know this is dirty. I will probably wash it. I know it's got hair in it, guys. I'm sorry. That's why I put them when my dad snores, and I had to bring them so we don't literally hear the snoring. And if we hear the snoring, these earplugs will not work. The hearing. Well, I'm sorry guys, I just don't want to hear the raining sound, so yes. And I'm also gonna tell you the truth. When do you need your earplugs just for sleep? And I am now telling you the truth. So if you need earplugs, if you never had earplugs in your countries and stuff like that, and here it is, guys. These are called earplugs. You can put them in your ear so you can't hear the snoring or any of these loud noises. So that's why I'm telling you about Hailee is not happy at Jess's house. She wasn't even having a good day. She had not a good day in a nap, even though she turned out perfectly fine before. She was not even happy listening to it. She's actually woken up, got a little bit. She's gotten fright, and she's woken up, and she just gotten fright, and she's got scared. And you don't even know if she can understand. Well, she's just a baby. I know she's just a baby, but she's very smart. So she just told me, like, can you stop snoring? I will be like, we can't even deal with it because she's too chubby for it. So it's why Tessa's pregnant with her baby boy, her first time boy, having a human boy. Especially she's got a cat boy, male, and a dog male, Jack, and the male cat, Ginger. The gray one, yes, Ginger the gray cat, and Jack the black dog. What are we gonna tell you the truth is? We tried to ask her, and we just got back home and we told her the truth why she's very scared of the snore that it sounds like a dinosaur. Hey, Hailee, does it sound like a dinosaur? Do you really think so? It sounds like a dinosaur? See, guys, she hates it so much. Even me and Adam do not like the snoring either. I was just, well, I never tease her, but I try to tell her to stop snoring. Like, stop snoring, just wake up, you're snoring. I just don't even like it. Can you just stop? It's why these women are so chubby. That's why they just snore, not just skinny girls. Skinny girls don't snore when they're pregnant. But except for the choppy woman at pregnancy with their baby girl or boy, I don't know. When my mom was pregnant with me, I never make her snore when she was pregnant of me. Even before my mom was pregnant of my younger brother Nico, he she gave him a little bit when she was pregnant with him. So Nico got even this skinnier than I ever thought, but I am skinny too. Look at my height. If you can't even tell if I'm skinny, if you can't even tell I'm not even telling you a story, that's just what happened to chubby girls who can snore like this. Like wow, of course they're looking chubby. They look like chubby pandas though. Even though look like chubby pandas who want to snack with the chubby girls. Like girls, I'm not even chubby, but let me show you the truth is. is reason what is happening. Yeah, they're choppy. I was I was right. Case oh no way. I just gonna read it. So many pregnant chubby women start snoring because of nasal congestion. Oh, what did I say it? Sorry guys, I can't even read those words very well because even though they're new, I won't even know. So who can teach me how to say that word? Just wait guys. We knew we can upload it at night. I mean at 9 o'clock, of course. I want to. Or how do I ever pronounce it? Congestion. Congestion. Sorry. It's why I don't say words even though they're new. Like I never heard of it. I never heard of it, what it means. Never heard of it. It's what it means from chubby woman are snoring. It's why they're so big and more than Joe. Because when I was 9.5 years old, she was pregnant with Charlotte. After Joe was pregnant with Xavier. And when I was 9.5 years old in 2015, Joe was pregnant with Charlotte. And I placed my ear onto her belly and just listened to Charlotte just doing something in the Bailee. Like, like, what? What does she do? Yeah. And when I first hold baby Charlotte when I was 9.5, still in that age, I was holding Charlotte and she cried and cried and cried. She didn't like me. And of course I do like her. And a year later, when Charlotte was 1 year old and she accidentally peed in my old Anchorage Park school uniform dress. And it was disgusting. It was so embarrassing. And my mom says like, oh, we better wash it at home, okay? I didn't know she was going. I didn't know she was about going to pee on you. Like poor Charlotte Furry. She just peed on me when she was 1 year old. She just peed on me when she was a baby. Like that's so gross. That's so disgusting. You're not supposed to sit. You're not supposed to pee on people when you're just sitting down and you pee on somebody. That's not okay. You should know and you should remember it. Congestion. 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 Sorry guys, I'm so hard to read it. It's so hard to read it. Congestion. 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 I'm sorry guys. I have no words to say something to you today because I'm telling you the truth. Let's go to the next word. Not some skinny people, but many pregnant chubby women start snoring because of nasal congestion. Now I can read it. An increase in abdominal girth, or how do you pronounce it? And the YouTuber is pressing on the diaphragm. About 30% of pregnant women snore because of increased swelling in their nasal passages, which can block airways. It's what chubby girls do when they're just big and they're not even strong enough. That's why they look so chubby. But I am not. Uh, I am not looking fat. Okay? I'm sorry. Oh look. I am not looking fat. Okay? I'm not. Look. Look. See how tall I am? I am not. I know these ones are flat. They're completely flat because they can grow slowly, so they can't grow at all. So even I was in this different job, they will grow easily. Mm, yeah, that's how I explain about it. I explained there are in the different ways about being fat or something. Why am I saying chubby? I can't even say that word if I said fat, and then I can't even say anything and stuff like that. I'm not trying to be rude, guys. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just trying to say I can't even say that word. It's like I still can't control it. That's all, okay? Yeah, that can harm the baby when it's like like right in the middle, right in front of the chest, and it's down in the belly, and when you had a baby in your tummy, when you're skinny, you don't snore. So, and they don't actually try to block the airways in the weight because you're just skinny as you are. That what makes you who you are. And you know, I'm sorry for the camera so laggy, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sort of just sitting right there because I got nothing to tell you, but I am telling you the truth. I'm making a video how I was about going to say about pregnancy. Chubbiest woman pregnant, chubbiest pregnant woman in the world who snores a lot, a lot at night, in the morning, and in the afternoon. When they just want sleep in the afternoon, they would actually be so annoying. And the kids were not like that. They would be like, "Stop snoring, mommy! Stop snoring, mommy! Just wake up! Stop! It's so annoying." It's like kids don't even like snore at all. It's what chubby moms do. How to say it because they look like a chubby little panda, so I know I can't even say anything like that. So yeah. Mm. Sleep apnea in pregnancy may harm mom and baby. Women who experience sleep apnea. That's tough. But Dad snores way louder than her, so she has sleep apnea as well. During pregnancy may face an increase of risk of health problems for both themselves and their newborns, a new study suggests. With obstructive, obstructive sleep apnea, the causes are due to a blocked airway. Yeah, two blocked lungs that are actually trying to make it like trying to make it tight when you're just actually unborn and you're not even born yet. So this baby's not actually born either. So yeah, It's why this room is so quiet. If I can't even talk like this, I won't even like. I'm sorry for the camera. It is so laggy. I can't even start the computer from getting all those things like putting videos and photos and stuff like that and make YouTube videos on it too. So that's why I really want to do this video and tomorrow because we do something fun tomorrow because we are making a video tonight and we're actually going to say who's going to do it or not. But today I'm going to tell you the truth about Tessa's snoring, which actually caused a lot of problem of nasal congestion. So yes, it's what babies trying to do. They try to be on their mom's spine and back and stuff like that. Where when your spine is completed flat, like mine's actually completed flat. Like if you can't even sit up, well, I was diagnosed with scoliosis and I have a curvy spine and scoliosis. But she said hers is perfectly fine, but not with the baby because she is pregnant due to March 16th and if you want to follow her on Instagram, she'll put every meal, not her kids, because none of her kids have any of social media apps and stuff like that because they're not old enough to be on social media. That's why they're not old enough because like my baby lives can be so popular. They want to be on social media apps if they want to. They can do that on them if they want to. Like I can do it. They can do it whatever they want on social media because look, I am now on social media. That's why I put everyone on YouTube on my iPad, but not everyone, but just everyone on my first video and the second channel. Nisha just saw Hinipingu in the background. This is where he sits there, where I just play a song and Nisha just responded to my comment, which says, I sang you a happy birthday. And he responded to both from Tian Williams Music 13 and from my main channel as well. So that's why he's uploading the stream when he returns with Fortnite and tons of old games and stuff like that. I would also return from my comment and you would actually respond to them again. And Misha just said that I gave Misha my video. It was a gift to him, so he would actually say that, and that's the thing. It never basically changed, but I would probably say Hinipingo is sitting in the background where Eddie was sleeping right there, and he also saw Eddie's toy dolphin as well. He may have spotted yellow dolphin in the first place, especially Eddie too, because Eddie sleeps right in the corner where Elizabeth and Emma were sitting right there, and there is Hailee right behind me today. And Colette had a nap today, and so is Hailee. They don't even look happy, but Colette was fine in nap times today. But not Hailee today. I know she's not even wearing clothes. That's why she's a baby. because I had to take the clothes off. Whatever, I just barely wait till both of them get pajamas because they're just little. They can be babies at the same time, but I'm not gonna let them I'm sorry, I just said BB, but I cannot let them to be babies at the same time because, well, I'm sorry I'm doing something dumb, guys. That's why I want to do everything so hard that I love being completed hard. So we tried Hailee to tell us the truth. We tried her, and that's not the reason we just told her to. So, well, guys, listen. When you're married after you dated someone and then you're married and you got pregnant, which you started eating cheeseburger or any fast food, you ate french fries, you get fat. I'm not trying to be rude, so I can't even say that. So I want to say that because there's nothing to control this either, so I can say that if I want to. You get fat, but not even me, so you just started snoring because your weight is so bigger because your weight is so big and pardon me. And if you want to try to do is just exercise and fitness for your baby so you don't snore, it will work out perfectly fine. Like, not just fine, I guess, because I saw on TV in about 2 years ago. I was watching We Bare Bears, and it's so cool to see the pregnant ladies doing their actual work like that and that and that and that and that and that was fun. So do you know why I don't even like snoring either? Me, Adam, and Cassandra. Like poor Cassandra and Bethany and Mandy, but those three did not hear the snoring from Tess. But except for Adam, Harlequin, Gabrielle, Colette, and Hailee, they all don't like it. But Colette, Harlequin, and Gabrielle turned out perfectly fine, except to Hailee and Adam. See, the funniest thing to see, Adam just rolls himself over, and he just did that to himself by rolling himself up upside down when he sleeps. Like, I was like, what? How did you do that? Like, where did you get that actual personality come from? I don't know. I was like, what? What did Adam know? Did he get in the way when he just try to cover his ears and he can't even cover his ears? So he can't because he just 1 month old baby. So yeah, I'm very sorry, guys. He's just a baby, and he just rolls himself when he takes a nap, and he sleeps there right next to Harlequin, and he sleeps right beside me and Gabrielle because I wanted to take a nap on the couch, so the snoring was affecting Adam in his way, so he can't even hear it at all. So yeah. And not just Hailee either, because today we took her to Tessa's house as she wants to be with Colette, so she doesn't have to be lonely all by herself because she likes Colette even better. So that's why she also needed now, because I was watching a movie like just basically 5. I don't know what to tell you, because I was sitting in the couch right beside Tess or next to Tess. Well, I can say that I wanted because I got my own eye contact, which makes me like a leader. Yeah. I was sitting on the couch right next to Tess, and 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 when the couch is literally down that way, and it's literally up sideways, she would probably fall asleep on that, and she would probably snore. That's why the snoring was also affecting Hailee's hearing, that she never liked the snoring. It makes her scared, like basically scared. Like, I'm so sick of it. I need it. It's like crying. Or when she just woken up from the snoring, that she heard that, and she just turn around she just roll around when she sleeps. It means she can't even sleep, or what it's making her comfortable or not actually. And then when she woke up, I'm sorry I can't even speak properly. That's why I'm not even that normal person at all. So I am the normal person. So stop saying I'm not normal. Okay, guys? When Hailee just woken up, and she she's really frightened, like really bad frightened, hard. And that was seriously extremely scary for her. She did not like that. And that sounds like a dinosaur roaring and stuff, and she did not like that. But Christina does. She looks like a tomboy. I think I will let her to be a tomboy and stuff like that. Because in this house, in my family, we never had a tomboy girl, Christina, just like this before. But I was wearing Nico's one when I just when I just a tomboy little girl, and I'm not wearing this anymore. And I still want to be myself, and so is Christina. So Christina can wear anything all she wants to do. She is a tomboy and she's girly. So yeah. And yes, that's why I'm telling you the whole thing about snoring that says, and Hailee and Colette had a nap today, so Hailee would hate the snoring noise. Basically, it was over. Oh my gosh. Well, Michelle, just come here. Come. Alright. What are you gonna do? Because when I was 12, I never seen your mouth was this open before. That's just how you're looking tiny bit of chubby, but you're not even that chubby even much. But you look more like that than I ever have in my entire life. So these are called earplugs. They are for securing the noise and the snore from everyone in your house are snoring, because and if you don't have one, you might get tired of it and you might just scream like, stop snoring, like, just stop snoring, wake up, you're snoring. I know this is so funny, Misha. That's why I would actually do my voice. I can still change it by the way, but it looks definitely cool. Like, stop snoring! Wake up! You're snoring! Please stop it! You're so annoying. Even Hailee was not happy there. Like, it's not a good day for her. Like, she makes a sad face, like, and she looks completely frowning right now. Well, she looks completely frowning. I know she wasn't. I mean, I never said I wasn't. I mean, she wasn't. But I just saying. But I just saying. I know she was a nice girl, even though, even though she made a sad face and she looked completely frowning because of the snoring that she never liked because she woken up. And there's some funny videos that you're gonna watch the baby hear the noise and snoring. This is gonna be funny. It's like a meme or something. It would be actually funny. You might laugh at him and your dad. So do you even know the funny videos, guys? Just go to Vine. I now have the Vine video, okay? So Misha, I know. I just saw your mouth wide open in your video, like everybody loves me on your videos called Everybody Loves Me, and your mouth is complete open. It's complete wide open. And you might actually snore like you will be if you're looking at Chubby. But I've seen you look skinny. But I've seen you're looking skinny too. So yes, and these are earplugs. For when you don't want to hear it, and just use your earplugs if you have one from Czech Republic or New Zealand or Italy or more countries and stuff like that. So if you want to get this for free, and I'll show you there's earplugs or even foam earplugs and stuff like this. Let me show you. I know I'm not even saying anything. Yes, you can see the picture right now. Look, look at this earplug. It is a foam earplug. It's made of foam, and if you want to get that, Misha, uh, look, these are the earplugs for your good sleep, and they might be good for you. So, yes, and I do have two already, and some of them are being chewed up by Yellow Wolf, and these are for your good sleep, so you don't hear snoring because you don't even like the snoring. You would hate it. And you might actually put the thumbs down to the snoring noise like a little pig. But I like Willa's, that's the truth. Willa is looking a bit chubby too. And she snores at night and she snores in the afternoons. And she never did have a nap because Laura Zelman had a long nap. I know it's not even long, but it's been an hour they had a nap after I left. And they fell asleep, and that's all, guys. And they fell asleep. So that's the picture of the woman who has the earplugs to secure the noise from something as loud and something as like snoring, because you won't even like that. You might hate it. So if we basically try to tell you the truth, as pardon me, if we try to tell you the truth as fast as we can, we actually tried to be in the huge success of happiness and stuff like this. Misha, I want to tell you, yes, yeah. But I made a video today about you, but you're going to hear it. All that from me and the earplugs. So you want to hear, if you want earplugs, then they're not. Then just don't even. Then don't you. They don't listen to the snoring because you might hate it and you'll be like, stop snoring! Stop snoring! You're freaking loud! But you're flipping loud! I'm sorry. Frick. It rhymes with trick. I like that word too. But I'm just saying, stop snoring! You're flipping loud! I'm sorry, I just can't even help it. So, I will not say frick or trick ever again, so that's why I'm not gonna say it in my main channel either. That's why I don't say. I don't say bad words, obviously. And yes, I know I was sitting there quietly and yeah, I'm sorry. I just did not mean to do stuff like this. Like, please just reply to me, and if you want to subscribe to me, then just leave a comments to me from all of my fans and stuff like this. And stuff like this or stuff like that. You can get tons of comments and get more comments just from your fans, and you actually know who's going to do it for you. So yes, I would actually believe that, okay? Because it would rather be long, because we had to do a bedtime story, and we might end the video after we told you the truth. And that's literally it. So yes, I already told you the entire truth about snoring. But when you snore like a pig at night too, but I never snore at night. I just breathe when my nose, well, I just breathe, but I can't even breathe when when I got stuffy nose. I would not actually breathe at night either. That's how I get them from the night and through the night too. So yes, we're gonna end in the video right now. So yes, we're making something fun for Misha for tomorrow. So yeah. Yeah, he would love it. Yeah, he would love that. Alright. So in the link in the description, you want to leave some comments. So just follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, on Discord, on Facebook, on Snapchat, and there is YouTube. You can subscribe to me, but not just follow me but you can only on Snapchat and the entire social media. This might be cool for you guys. I know I wasn't even looking, because I would actually look at your camera. I would actually look at the camera. So yes, that's why my bangs are in the way. If I'm not pretty with those bangs, I would be embarrassing. I would be embarrassed. And there it goes. Here are my bangs. Yay. Alright guys. Thank you guys for watching our video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys? And Misha, you too. That's just how you better see that. And If your parents are trying to tell you, then what do you ever do when you can't even hear anyone snoring at night? Do you ever actually believe that? Everyone, some people are chubby, not even like I like you. Sorry. And some people would actually snore at night. Some chubby boys do that too because they would actually snore when they sleep at night because it can also block their airway in their lungs too. And so are girls just like Tess. It's so annoying for Hailee. Like I would actually just cover her ears up and it didn't work. But when they are actually fully covered, they do work. So we might end the video because we had to put everyone down. So I had to wind them down in 7 o'clock because I don't want my parents to get me in trouble. That's why I don't want them to stay up all night. That's why I try to do my best and they won't let me to put everyone else to sleep at night. So that's why I had to do it at 7 o'clock. So I realized I have to do that for them, just for them, obviously. I would do that for them. Like, probably I will. So yes, thank you guys for watching our video. And make sure if you want to subscribe to me, just subscribe to my main channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Colette, you can make a video too. You wanna just say goodbye? Yes. Oh, I won't touch you, okay? But I just want you to face the camera, okay? Okay. Thank you guys for watching our video. If you wanna hear a story again, then we'll tell you the story. Yeah, the story, Colette. Yeah, thanks, Mom. Just make sure you want to subscribe to us. Stop touching me. Sorry, I will hold your back and put right there for you. Okay, thank you guys for watching our main channel. And if you want to subscribe to me too, then just go to her main channel. And I know I don't have a main channel, so you can subscribe to me and my mom. So yes, because my mom's now a YouTuber and she would actually love this. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And you guys gonna love me so much. Bye. Ouch. Bye. I love you. Make sure you have to link in the description and leave some comments. And you can reply to our comments all you want, guys. So just make sure, okay? Listen to me. Follow the rules. Don't break the rules. And listen to us. And make sure. Bye. And Hailee's having a turn to say goodbye, but she can't even talk even much, so she can say goodbye. Come on, Hailee, wanna say goodbye? Oh, okay, bye. Say goodbye to fans your subscribers, Nisha. Actually, we'll put them in the pajamas right now. We're in a video. After we put them in pajamas, okay? Alright, just stay right there, and I'm gonna get Hailee some pajamas, and I'll get you. You get your pajamas ready for now. Okay. Why you're supposed to be in there because I'm seeing them in the morning. I just saw them in the morning.
It's very hot in here. I will just open this a little bit for you. Would you like some pasta?
No.
Okay.
Why not? Oh, my mom is always interrupting our video while we're just putting Colette and Hailee some pajamas on. I'm not trying to be mean. She's a liar. Liar's gonna lie. You made that word from haters gonna hate, 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 hate. I like that song. Alright. You wanna see Hailee just putting pajamas? I am putting pajamas on her, you want to say. So that's why she's a baby. She can wear without clothes if she wants. But not when she was fully covered naked. So yes. She's not gonna be naked. That's why I put some pajamas on her. If you want to see her pajamas, she loves to wear blue. She likes wearing blue. She likes blue. Like, she's totally very happy about she's wearing blue, and so is Colette. She loves wearing blue. Oh, see? It looks so adorable on Hailee. Looking cute, right? Now it's Colette's turn before we start the video right now, okay? But I'm not changing her now because I had to put some pajamas on her before we do bedtime stories just for them. So it helps them sleep. Usually at 7 o'clock, you know, at 7 o'clock I was not trying to be mean. Before we ended the video, I just want to know I'm not actually a liar, but she is a liar. And Colette made up that word that lyrics are the same from Taylor Swift. Shake it off like haters gonna hate, liars gonna lie. Come here. And when they return home from about like 6 o'clock and from 5 o'clock, they will be always in these pajamas, like they're so adorable on them. So I think they should say goodbye and they will actually leave to play with Marty and Kate. Yay! Bye. I'm gonna leave. Okay. Okay, you can leave to Marty and Kate. Hailee, you can say bye. I know this video is so embarrassing. That's why my mom tried to come in for no flipping reason, and she is so annoying. Oh my god. I don't like her so much. I didn't even like her even much, but I like her when she's not interrupting me on that video where Hailee and Claire used to sit right there. They just want to say goodbye and that's all, okay? Alright, you can leave now, Hailee. I'm not trying to hold your head, but you can control yourself. And we'll see you tomorrow. I know my room is so messy, that's why I was too lazy to pick them up. And yes. And yes, I'm sorry for the embarrassing video. That's why my mom wanted to go in, and I don't want her, and I don't want to let her in. So that's why I know my room was so hot, that's why I had to take a shower every day. And so it's Saturday. I know I never brush my teeth twice because I'm sometimes very lazy to do it, and nobody's gonna call me a lazy girl. So yes, more like a lazy Sunday. And some people will always say like, "Lazy Sunday, yay!" Okay, we'll see you tomorrow in a new video. Bye. Mm, mm. I'm like a butterfly. I want to be like a butterfly, butterfly, butterfly in the sky. Butterfly, fade away. Bye.